was so immense, so profound, that it could help save every woman, man, and child. You found it a long time ago. Don't you remember? No, you didn't find it in your research or in your experiments. It wasn't inside the genome or amongst the petri dishes. It wasn't the day you put this chemical with that chemical, or in the white papers and the documents. Further back. No, you didn't find it in the classroom. Not from your mentor or your hero. A little further. This was a big day. You don't remember it? It was the day you discovered that you were a scientist.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome to the stage Prix Galien USA Committee Chair for the categories Best Medical Technology, Best Digital Health Solution, Best Incubator Accelerator, and Best Startup. Ladies and gentlemen, Kenneth C. Frazier.
So good afternoon and welcome, esteemed guests. Before we begin, I'd like us all to observe a moment of silence to pay tribute to our dear friend and colleague, Bernard Poussat. Thank you. I'd like to express my gratitude to my colleagues on the jury who've done an outstanding job determining this year's winners. I also want to highlight the crucial role played by our subcommittee and advisory members in creating the short list for each category. Let me introduce our colleagues on the jury.
Please welcome the Prix Galien USA 2024 Awards Committee in the categories Best Medical Technology, Best Digital Health Solution, Best Incubator Accelerator Equity, and Best Startup. Committee Chair Kenneth C. Frazier, Retired Chairman and CEO, Merck & Co. Inc. Chairman, Health Assurance Initiatives, General Catalyst. Roche d'Olive, Honorary Chief Executive Officer, UCB. Michael Dalston, Chief Scientific Officer and President, Pfizer Research and Development. Alex Gorski, former Chief Executive Officer and Executive Chairman, Johnson & Johnson. Penny Heaton, Global Therapeutic Area Head, Vaccines, Janssen. François Maison-Rouge, Senior Managing Director, Evercore Partners. Sherry McCoy, Board of Directors, AstraZeneca, former Chief Executive Officer, Avon. Joel Marcus, Executive Chairman and Founder, Alexandria Real Estate Equities, Inc. Elias Zehuni, former Head of Global Research and Development, Sanofi.
Okay, so let's begin with the medical technology category. Here are our nominees.
In the category for Best Medical Technology, the nominees are Abbott for Avere dual chamber leadless pacemaker system. Abbott for TriClip G4 system. Alcon for Vivity. Alcon for Total 30 soft contact lenses. Bausch & Lomb for Zypia. Body Vision Medical for lung vision. Boston Scientific for Illuvia drug-eluting vascular stent system. Boston Scientific for Space OAR View Hydrogel. Butterfly Network for Butterfly IQ3 handheld ultrasound system. Edwards Life Sciences for Edwards Evoke transcatheter tricuspid valve replacement system. Edwards Life Sciences for Edwards Sapien 3 transcatheter pulmonary valve system with Altera adaptive pre-stent. Edwards Life Sciences for Edwards Sapien 3 ultra resilia transcatheter aortic heart valve. Endologics for Detour system. Guardant Health for Guardant 360 CDX. Histosonics for Edison histotripsy system. Impel Pharmaceuticals for Trudesa. Impulse Dynamics for Optimizer Smart Mini System. LifeVac for LifeVac. Medtronic for Inceptive SCS. Medtronic for MiniMed 780G Automated Insulin Delivery System. Medtronic for Simplicity Spiral Renal Denervation System. Olympus America for BF-UC 190F Endobronchial Ultrasound Bronchoscope. Organon for the JADA system. Outset Medical for Tableau Hemodialysis System. Polarian for Zenoview HPX System. Reflection Medical for Reflection X1 with Syntix Biology Guided Radiotherapy. Smith & Nephew for Cori Surgical System. Standard Bariatrics for Titan SGS. Terumo Aortic for Thoraflex Hybrid.
So now you can see there's going to be fierce competition. And the winner of the medical technology category will be announced tonight at the American Museum of Natural History. So stay tuned for that exciting reveal. And now it's my extreme pleasure to invite Penny Heaton to join me here on the stage to announce the laureates in the startup category.
Ladies and gentlemen, colleagues and innovators, it's such a profound privilege to stand with you today to celebrate and honor these exceptional achievements. These are things that are actually reshaping the future of human health. How much more exciting can it get than that? And you know, I love the Prix Galien Awards, not just because they recognize remarkable advances in medicine and technology, but they go beyond. They also focus on those achievements that are creating lasting impacts on human health and well-being. That's why we do what we do. Each of the startups we're going to recognize today, they also demonstrate that. They're not only pioneering science and technology, but they've also shown tremendous dedication and resilience, commitment to actually improving patients' lives and transforming their health. And so without further ado, I'm going to we're going to give two Best Startup Awards today, the MedTech Digital Startup Award and the Best Biotech Startup Award. And so I'm going to ask them to show who the contenders are for this great award.
In the Best Startup category, the nominees are Acarai AB, Actipulse Neuroscience, Advanced Biodesign, Alga Biologics, Axaltis Pharma, Basis.ai, B Healthcare, BlockCube, Canary Medical, Carcinotech, Celarity, CervoMed, Click Therapeutics, CoStar Therapeutics, Deep Life, Delix Therapeutics, Domain Therapeutics, Duo Oncology, Gamito, Ganymed Robotics, Halia Therapeutics, Immunis, Innerstill, J&T Medical, Lazurite, Lifebloom, Lizata Therapeutics, Logix Biosciences, Manus Neurodynamica, Micron Biomedical, MindMics, Navigation Sciences, We Inc., Pentavere, Holoderm, Qubit Pharmaceuticals, Simidis, Skinosive, SmartCatch, Target Biopharmaceuticals, Tribune Health, Vicardia Therapeutics, ImmunoBio.
Okay, and I'm not going to keep you in suspense until tonight. We're actually going to announce this now, starting with the best startup in medtech and digital. So this is a company that, for medtech and digital, this is a company that has blended healthcare with technological innovation to create a more connected, a more accessible, and a more personalized future. Digital tools are taking over how we think about disease, from how we diagnose them to how we prevent and how we treat. And this award recognizes a company that's really driving that evolution to make healthcare actually more personalized for the patients, to empower the patients and also their healthcare providers. So the moment has arrived. Let's see if I can get this award open and announce. Okay, are you ready? In the category Best Startup MedTech and Digital Health. And the voice of God is going to say Pentavere.
Yeah, thank you. I want to thank, first and foremost, the Galien Foundation, and also acknowledge and recognize all of the other startups and innovators that are in this room. Starting a company is really, really hard, and breaking through in healthcare for patients is even harder. And, you know, there's a saying that it takes a really important why to overcome a really difficult how. And I just want to acknowledge and clap for all of the companies in this room who are on that journey, going through difficult hows. But for us at Pentavere, the why was always patient first. From our very beginning, thinking about AI and the challenges that patients have for every stakeholder to understand their healthcare journeys. We put patients first from our very beginning, and that was our why that overcame our how. I just want to thank everybody in this room. I want to thank our chairman, Hamid Shabazi, who believed in us and is now scaling us globally, again, for patients. So thank you so much, and God bless you all.
Wonderful. Okay, now moving on to number 2, the Best Startup for Biotech Award. This award, of course, celebrates that intersection between biology and technology and recognize achievements that really offer us fresh hope and new possibilities. And I think that's such a great description of this, the recipient of this award. They've been tackling some of the most complex challenges that we face and have been developing new pathways for new therapeutics. But they've done this with incredible scientific rigor, and they've also been so committed to the field. And it's just a delight for me to be able to share this award with them today. So without further ado, okay, the voice of God may happen this time, but in the category of Best Startup Biotech, the winner of the 2024 Prix Galien USA is CervoMed. So we can congratulate them then. And everyone, one last round of applause for CervoMed. Okay, back over to you.
Thank you, Penny. And I want to add my personal congratulations to those 2 promising startups. As Penny said, their innovations are truly impressive, and they're going to make a huge impact on patient health. Now I'm pleased to introduce our next presenter for the digital health category, Dr. Michael Dolston.
It's very exciting at this time to introduce the Best Digital Health. It's a time when digital advances converge with biomedicine in so many dimensions. It's almost like it's putting an envelope around everything we do in science and medicine, bringing knowledge together, communicating medicine to various stakeholders, allowing us to diagnose, allowing us to monitor and adjunct treat conditions. So the landscape is very vast, and we continuously see how the skills of digital and AI-fueled solutions allow that category to get more and more impressive, faster and faster, and with tremendous impact. So let's unveil the contenders for the Best Digital Health category.
In the digital health category, the nominees are Abbott for Neurosphere Virtual Clinic, Aptar Digital Health for Migraine Buddies Weather and Trigger Advanced Reports, Big Hat Biosciences for Milliner, Clinical Inc. for Glucose Ready, Cognoa for Canvas DX ASD Diagnostic Aid, Empatica for Empatica Health Monitoring Platform, Excentia for Excentia's end-to-end AI-driven precision medicine platform. MPA for MyPsych Admin. MyMe for MyMe. Omnic for Omnicare. Patientory for Patientory Digital Health Data Wallet. Perspectum for CoverScan. Rapid AI for clinical AI and workflow solutions. Revive Technologies for Focus RX. Roche Diagnostics for AccuCheck Smart Guide Predict app. TechMeadow for Healthcare Operating System. University of Rochester for Wilmot Cancer Institute's Hyperion. Viz AI for Viz HCM. Withings for Bodyscan. Zuri Health for Zurich Health.
As you can imagine, it was very hard work. Timeline needed to be extended for the committee to find the winner. There is a paper here. The winner in the category of Best Digital Health Solution, Prix Galien 2024, is Viz AI for hypertrophic cardiomyopathy.
Thank you very much to the Galien Foundation. My name is Chris Mancy. I'm the co-founder and CEO of Viz AI. I want to start by thanking our partners, BMS, Bristol Myers Squibb. We started this project to create an AI safety net for hypertrophic cardiomyopathy patients around 3 years ago. We didn't know if there'd be signal in the ECG to find these patients, but if there was, we knew that we could create a safety net that would mean that no patient was left behind. All of a sudden, we had this treatment, cardiac myosin inhibitors, that was going to treat these patients effectively. But doctors, unless you're a specialist in the disease, were not going to find those patients. And so we need to find a way to get those patients to the right specialist they could be treated. We took this through the FDA. There was no pathway for this, so we created a whole new category via the de novo pathway for ECG-based AI, and it's opened up a whole new opportunity to find patients with other rare cardiology disease, other common cardiology diseases, and make sure they get to the right place. It's really an honor to be here. I think, as my colleague Erdogan said, starting a company is really hard, and you have to keep focusing on the right thing, and we too put patients first. I think so many of us in the room, in the life science world, particularly in the biotech world, are creating these new innovations that are going to treat these patients. It's such an exciting time in both biotech, pharma, and in AI that the future is really bright. Our job at Viz AI is to make sure that those innovations that you create to treat these diseases actually get to the patients they need, who need them, as fast and efficiently as possible. I'm going to finish by thanking the Viz team. We've got about 400 people who work tirelessly, from organizing the data, building the code, taking it through regulation, working with the hospitals through change management, ensuring that it's not just technology, it's actually something that works in the messy world of healthcare. I was a neurosurgeon, and I know that if you just throw technology at doctors, it doesn't really work. There's the human component as well as the technology component. So team, many of you in the back, thank you so much. Galien Foundation, thank you very much. Really appreciate it.
This is such an amazing area. The pioneers of today and those that change the world for patients in the future I'm so thrilled about this area, so I hope to be able to persuade Prix Galien that we need more than one prize for next year. But this year, it's all about you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Michael, for that insightful presentation. We extend our sincere congratulations to the team behind this innovative digital health solution. And now I'd like to move on to our final category, the Incubator Accelerator Equity. This category recognizes organizations that foster innovation and growth in the healthcare industry. And here are our nominees.
In the Best Incubator Accelerator Equity category, the nominees are Cedar Sinai Accelerator, Cube Labs, EIT Health Accelerator, Matter Startup Incubation, Mayo Clinic and Arizona State University MedTech Accelerator, McGill Dobson Center for Entrepreneurship, Arot Connected Health Incubator, Tech Connect Venture Studio, Texas Medical Center Innovation, Women's and Children's Health Technology Fund.
So now, I'm honored and excited to announce the winner of the Incubator Accelerate Equity category, and the winner is TMC Innovation. I'm supposed to put this pin on. Okay, fine.
Hi, everyone. Good afternoon. My name's Ashley Francis. I'm the Senior Manager of TMC Innovation, and it is an incredible honor to be recognized by the Galien Foundation and the esteemed judging committee. Being acknowledged by an organization at the forefront of global healthcare advocacy is truly humbling. I'm also deeply honored to stand alongside such inspiring nominees, each contributing so much to advancing healthcare. I'd like to extend gratitude to my colleagues at the Texas Medical Center, but specifically our phenomenal team at TMC Innovation. Their unwavering commitment to supporting life science startup founders is instrumental in shaping the future of healthcare with direct impacts on improving patient outcomes. The Texas Medical Center is a unique environment, handling over 10 million patient encounters annually and fostering collaboration amongst researchers, clinicians, and entrepreneurs to elevate the healthcare experience. TMC Innovation serves as a critical life science, as a life science hub for entrepreneurs, guiding them from the earliest stages of an idea to commercialization. When they are developing, whether they're developing medical devices, digital health solutions, or therapeutics, our programs and advisors are there to provide the support they need to turn their ideas into reality. The future of healthcare is here in this room, shaped by the compassion, the collaboration, and commitment of every individual working to improve patient care. And at TMC Innovation, we see these values every day as entrepreneurs, clinicians, and researchers come together to push the boundaries of what's possible. Together, we are building a healthier world, and I am proud to be a part of this journey with you all. We cannot thank you enough. Thank you so much. Over. Thank you. Okay, fantastic.
So to conclude our event today, I'd like to invite Penny and Michael back to the stage along with our other 2024 laureates for a Galien group photo.
Thank you, congratulations.
Yeah, no, that's a good one.
Okay, can we just shift all
Oh,
of it
and we
this
all have to
way?
walk
The
that way.
podium's right
Okay.
there, I can't see anybody.
Oh, yeah.
There we go. Perfect.
Is that enough?
Together.
A little bit more.
Perfect. Big smiles. Oh. All right, thank you.
Wonderful.
So thank you all for being a part of this wonderful celebration of innovation and excellence. Congratulations once again to all of our winners, and I look forward to seeing you all tonight at the American Museum of Natural History. Thank you.